Hey beauties! Welcome back to me and Halo, your go-to place for all things beauty without the fuss. Today, we're diving into the secret weapon for eye-popping looks. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, this video is packed with tips and tricks to take your lash game to the next level. In our last episode, we explored how to find the perfect foundation for your skin type. If you missed it, check it out after this video. We covered everything from understanding your skin type to choosing the right shade and finish. Today, it's all about mascaras that give you instant volume. From volumizing formulas to precision wands, we're covering it all. Ever wondered which mascara can transform your lashes into a showstopper in seconds? Let's uncover the best options tailored just for you. Whether you have short lashes, sparse lashes, or just want that extra oomph, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find out which mascaras made our top list. Before we jump in, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to elevate your lash game. Let's grow this beauty community together and make sure you never miss a video by turning on those notifications. But wait, choosing the right mascara isn't just about the brand. It's about knowing your eyes. Ready to unlock the secrets? From understanding your eye shape to mastering the perfect application technique, we're about to dive into the world of lashes like never before. Today, we'll cover how to identify your eye shape and style. Whether you have almond, hooded, round, or monolithic eyes, we'll show you how to determine your shape and style your lashes accordingly. The best mascaras and wands for instant volume, tailored to you, we'll explore the top picks for different eye types and needs. How to determine your eye shape. To get the most out of your mascara, it's essential to know your eye shape. Here's how to figure it out. 1. Examine the outer corners of your eyes. Stand in front of a mirror in a well-lit room. Look at the outer corners of your eyes. If they angle upwards, you likely have upturned eyes. If they tilt downwards, you may have downturned eyes. If they are straight and level with the inner corners, your eyes could be almond-shaped or round. 2. Look at your eyelid crease. Observe whether you have a visible crease on your eyelid. If there is no visible crease, you have monolid eyes. If the crease is visible but appears partially or fully hidden when your eyes are open, you have hooded eyes. 3. Assess the whites of your eyes around the iris. Look at your iris, the colored part of your eye. If you can see the whites above and below the iris, you likely have round eyes. If the iris touches both the top and bottom eyelids without much white showing, your eyes are likely almond-shaped. Consider overall shape and proportion. Take a step back and look at your eyes as a whole. If they appear elongated with pointed corners, they are likely almond-shaped. If they are larger and more circular, they are probably round eyes. Understanding your eye shape. Each eye shape has unique features that influence how mascara can enhance your look. Here's a breakdown. Almond eyes. Versatile and symmetrical, almond eyes suit almost any mascara style. Focus on volumizing and lengthening mascaras to enhance their natural beauty. Round eyes. These eyes are naturally wide and inviting. To elongate them, concentrate mascara on the upper lash line, especially the outer corners, while keeping the bottom lashes light. Hooded eyes. With a prominent brow bone and a smaller visible lid, hooded eyes benefit from thin wands for precision. Apply mascara evenly to avoid smudging on the lid. Monolid eyes. These lack a visible crease, so volumizing mascaras work best to add depth and drama. Deep-set eyes. Opt for volumizing formulas to make lashes stand out and bring attention to your eyes. Mascara application tips. Once you've identified your eye shape, use these techniques for flawless lashes. 1. Curl your lashes. Start with an eyelash curler for a lifted look. This step is especially important for straight or downward pointing lashes. 2. Wiggle the wand. Begin at the base of your lashes and wiggle upwards. This ensures even coating and prevents clumping. 3. Layer strategically. Apply one coat, let it dry, then layer more for added volume without overloading your lashes. 4. Focus on corners. Use tapered or cone-shaped brushes to coat inner and outer corner lashes for a complete look. 5. Avoid overloading bottom lashes. For round or deep-set eyes, keep lower lash application minimal to avoid emphasizing roundness or heaviness. Choosing the right mascara wand. The wand shape plays a crucial role in achieving desired results. Curved wands, perfect for curling straight lashes. They hug the lash line from root to tip. Thin wands, ideal for precision, especially for hooded or small eyes. Cone-shaped wands, great for reaching corner lashes evenly. Comb wands, best for sparse lashes, ensuring every lash is coated without clumps. By understanding your eye shape and using tailored techniques, you can maximize the impact of mascara and create stunning looks effortlessly. Wand types for different eye shape. Choosing the right wand based on your eye shape ensures optimal results tailored to your features. Almond eyes rubber wands are particularly effective. These wands coat each lash thoroughly, enhancing the natural almond shape and adding definition without clumping. Round eyes a tapered wand is ideal. Its fine tip helps target inner corner lashes while emphasizing the outer edges, creating a cat eye effect that elongates the eyes rather than emphasizing their roundness. Hooded eyes thin or wide center wands work best. Wide center wands lift lashes effectively, making the eyes appear more open and reducing the heaviness of the lid. Monolid eyes volumizing wands, such as thick brushes or rubber wands, are great for monolid eyes as they add depth and drama to lashes that might otherwise appear flat. Top picks. Some of our favorite mascaras include waterproof options perfect for long days or special events where you want your lashes to stay flawless. Volumizing mascaras great for those who want a bold, dramatic look. Lengthening mascaras ideal for creating the illusion of longer lashes. In our next episode, we'll talk about lipsticks that stay flawless all day. No touch-ups needed. From matte finishes to hydrating formulas, we'll cover it all. Make sure to tune in for the ultimate guide to long-lasting lip colors. Remember, the right mascara can transform your entire look. Experiment with different styles and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to try new things and have fun with it. Beauty is all about expressing yourself and feeling confident in your own skin. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share your favorite mascara in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation going and grow this beauty community together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.